Hello everyone. In today's video we will talk about a very powerful indicator, an indicator that gives very good results, especially when used in the Forex markets. But first, please allow me to thank the creator of this indicator, who allowed us to publish it on the channel, and he also made some modifications to the free version so that everyone can easily use it. Since this indicator is published as a private indicator, it cannot be found in the search field. For this, you will find the link below the video, copy the link and paste it into your browser. Here, you will find the name of the creator, which is Pyfigure Trade, and here, you will find the name of the indicator, which is the big guy. Here you will find the number of likes. But what matters now is to add it to our favorites list, so go down a bit and click on this button. And that's it, now the big guy has been added to your favorite indicators list. Now go back to the chart and open the indicators box. And in the search field, type big guy. Now the indicator has been added to our favorite indicators list and we can start using it. After applying it to the chart, you can adjust it from the side so that you can see all the functions inside it. Now, let's open the indicator settings from this gear. Go to the style and reposition these triangles from bottom to top so we can see them clearly in the indicator section. Now everything is ready, just make sure that the chart is on a 4-hour frame. This indicator works with all time frames, but using it with large frames will give better and more accurate results. Okay, let's start with these yellow triangles first. These triangles show the entry points, or in other words, they show us the entry areas in the long positions. As we see here. Here too, we note that the entry signal was good. And here, at the entry signal, the price rose as well. And here. As you can see, all the signs were very accurate. Sometimes it may give small profits, but what matters is that it works perfectly. So far, we have found 8 successful signals, and the best part is that they were in row. But let's see more of these yellow signs to make sure that it works. Well, the number of signals was 15 in a row, and all of them were successful, regardless of the ones that didn't go up very much. Now let's talk about these red bars. These bars represent the oversold area, that is, they give a signal according to the RSI indicator. But let's see how this happens by applying the RSI indicator to the chart. As you can notice here, when the RSI reaches the oversold area, which is the area of the 70 line, the red bar appears in the big guy indicator. This feature helps us to get out of some trades sometimes. Let's quickly explain this feature, but let's close the RSI indicator first. We'll take this area as an example, but let's zoom in to see better. Okay, let's say we entered above this candle, according to the yellow triangle sign. But after we entered, this red bar appeared here. In this case, we will wait until the red color ends, and then, we will place a seller exit order under the first candle. This means that the exit order will be here under this candle. Okay, let's see another example quickly. Let's take this bar as an example, and let's say we entered here, according to the sign of the yellow triangle. As we explained earlier, the entry is above the candle under which the signal appeared. And when the red bar appears, we wait until it ends, then we exit under the first red candle. And this means that we will exit here. Now let's move on and talk about these green circles. These circles represent purchasing power, and we can use them to confirm the signs of the yellow triangle. As you can see, often, when these circles finish appearing, the yellow triangle signal appears, and this means that we can use them as separate indicators as well. Now, let's talk about these green mountains. These mountains are a really amazing addition, because it always appears at the gathering zones. But what are the gathering zones? When the trend goes down, the traders start buying. Even if it goes down more and more, there are always those who believe that it is the end of the downtrend, and in the end, this wrong buying helps create the gathering areas. But when we use these mountains, we can easily determine the end of the downtrend to enter into a strong buying wave that caused by previous buyers. In this case, the entry area will be at the end of the appearance of these mountains. And this means, we can enter above this candle here. Even when these mountains are small in size, their effect can be powerful, as we see here. And here as well. We may also see these small triangles that depend on the signals of the volume indicator. They are not considered strong signals to enter, but they can be used with other indicators to get another entry points. Only this blue area remains here, despite its small size, but it is also a good indicator for identifying entry areas. When we see this signal without merging with the lines in yellow, it will be a good indicator of an upward trend, but when it is combined with the lines in yellow, we should avoid using it as an entry signal. Finally, after trying it on gold and the Forex market in general, the results were very impressive, but keep in mind, the larger the frame, the better the result. If you like the video and want more about this indicator, please tell me in the comments, because we may develop a great strategy to use it with other indicators. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and good luck.